Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Ate Femix Vlog. Ayan, good morning everyone. Ayan, today is Monday. Kaya pupunta na naman kami sa swimming class ng aking alaga. So, dito kami guys. Ito po yung building namin. Yan na, yung buildings namin. Doon po kami sa tower to guys. So, yan, tower to po kami. Yan doon. So, itong building guys, so, Greenfield International School po yan dyan. Dyan po yung nursery ang alaga ako sa Greenfield International School. Ayan, siguro mamaya guys, babagsak na naman tong yung ulan kasi makulimlim pa po. Ayan, Capitol po yan dyan guys, Capitol. Ayan. Capitol Residence po yan dyan. Ayan, marami ng mga buildings dito. Marami ng mga buildings sa mga bago dito guys. Samantala pagpunta namin dito ng year 2019, ayan, Hemera pa lang at Capitol lang meron kami at saka Lethbridge. Na building po. I mean, Presley, ano tawag dito? Kalimutan kong building na yun. What's the building next to the Capitol, baby? I forgot. Le Prestige, right? I don't know also, I forgot. So, kasi dito po doon po yung sa tawiran yung school ng aking alaga. Ayan, maluwag pa to guys, oh. Bakante pa. Ito, the Capitol. Ayan. Come, baby. Come. Get inside. It's not really hot today, baby, because it's cloudy, right? Baby, let's go there, oh. Come. Yeah, but always we use the elevator. You have to walk sometimes.
Stairs?
Yeah, we have to use the stairs sometimes. this. It's like our exercise, right? Walking. Malapit na kami, guys. Sino nagkasama sa ating dalawa, sa ating dalawa. Ha? Yeah. Strauss, very international school. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of car. Do you have car here? Coco? Do you have car here? Do you have car?
No,
Where's
I
your
don't
car?
have car. No, we're walking here.
So, dyan lang kami guys nagsaswimming. Dyan. Sa loob niyan.
It's okay. We can get in. Because look, everyone's inside.
Yeah.
But we can.
Where's the butterfly pen?
There. Near the fence.
Hold my hand. I need to cross the road. Oh, wait a minute.
A very fast car is going by. It's going
Alright, let's go. So, dito na kami guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Okay, tell your name there, babe.